Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the OWC Aura Ultra 4 1TB NVMe SSD, a storage solution promising to breathe new life into your Synology disk station. Specifically designed for models like the DS723 Plus, DS918 Plus, DS920 Plus, and DS923 Plus, this isn't just another SSD. It's a performance powerhouse. The Aura Ultra 4 boasts PCIe 4.0 technology, which translates to speeds more than double that of previous generation 3.0 SSDs. We're talking read speeds of up to 7,415 megabytes s and write speeds reaching 6,800 megabytes s. In real-world terms, this means dramatically faster AV workflows, smoother video streaming, quicker system responsiveness, and significantly reduced backup times. App and game loading times also see a massive improvement. OWC claims that upgrading from a traditional HDD to the Aura Ultra 4 can result in game levels loading up to 35 times faster. While individual results may vary depending on the specific game and system configuration, the potential for a significant performance boost is undeniable. Compatibility is a key strength of the Aura Ultra 4. It can be installed directly on motherboards with an M.2 2280 slot, or in a PCIe slot using a single or multi-drive M.2 SSD adapter. This flexibility makes it a versatile upgrade option for a wide range of systems. Moreover, the Aura Ultra 4 is backwards compatible with PCIe Generation 2.0 and 3.0 devices. This ensures that it can still deliver improved performance even in older systems, maximizing its value and extending the lifespan of your existing hardware. OWC's commitment to quality is evident in the Aura Ultra IV's construction. It's built with name brand, Tier 1 components, and SLC NAND flash memory. This focus on quality allows OWC to offer a 5-year limited replacement warranty, along with an industry-leading advanced replacement policy, providing peace of mind and demonstrating their confidence in the product's reliability. The OWC Aura Ultra 4 isn't just about raw speed. It's about enhancing the overall user experience. Whether you're a content creator working with large video files, a gamer seeking faster load times, or simply someone who wants a more responsive system, this SSD delivers. It's a premium storage solution that combines cutting-edge technology with robust build quality and comprehensive support, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to maximize the performance of their Synology disk station or other compatible device.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.